Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our sixth question. What is that? One card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color, a face card, a red face card, the jack of hearts, a spade, a queen of diamonds. So how many number of total cards in a deck? So write total. So total number of cards in a deck. Total number of cards in a deck 52. So that is the 52. So first one. So our first one. What is that? A king of red color. A king of red color. King of red color. So king. How many queens are there? Totally there are 4 kings are there. 2 in black and 2 in red. So what are the 2 reds? So first one, a king in all types of cards. All type of cards. So two kings are red and 2 kings are black. So 2 kings are red in heart and diamond. 2 kings black are in spades and clubs. So 2 kings are red in heart and diamond and 2 kings black in spades and clubs. So these are the totally 4 kings are there, but they are asked a king red of color. So 2. So what is that? Probability of getting. So let's going to take, this is the probability of getting the number of red kings. So 2 kings are there. So the number of red kings by total number of cards. Total number of cards. So number of red kings, what is that? 2 by total number of cards are 52. So 2 ones are, then 2 twos are, 2 six are, 1 by 26. So this is the value, the probability of getting red king as 1 by 26. So how many total cards are? 52. For that we are taken. So number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. A face card. So what is that? Second, face card. So face card means how many faces are there? Actually, there are jack, king, queen cards are called face cards. So what are that? Jack, king and queen are called face cards. So 4 jacks in, how many there are? Total deck of cards 4 jacks, 2 jacks in red like kings only. So 4 jacks and 4 kings and 4 queens. So these are two jacks in red and two jacks in black. 2 in red, 2 in black. Queen also like that only. So like that whatever I explained here. So based on that. So total number of face cards. So total face cards will be 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 3s are 12. So then what is the probability? So let's going to write probability. Probability will be number of face cards, total number of face cards, favorable outcomes, that is face cards by total deck of cards, total cards. Let's going to write like this. So that is 12 by 52. So 12 by 52. So what you can write it here? 4 3s are 12. Then 4 1s are, 4 3s are 12. That is 3 by 13. 3 by 13. Next, what is that? A red face card. So let's going to take a red face card. Third one. So third one, a red face card. Red face card. Here normally we will get two 2 jacks in red and 2 red kings, 2 red face cards. So I already explained what is the face cards. So 4 totally, that 4 jacks is divided into 2. So 4 jacks divided 2 red, 2 black, and 4 kings divided 2 red and 2 black. And so what is that? Next one, 4 queens, 2 red, 2 black. So this is the thing. So here total number of red face cards, total red face cards. Here 2, 2, 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2, we will get it as 6. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, we will get it as 6. So let's going to write it here. The probability is equal to total red face cards by total cards. Total red face cards how many? That is 6 by 52. So 6 by 52, what value we are getting here? So 6 by 52. So you can divide with the 3. 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 6 are. So 3 by 26. So 3 by 26. That is the probability of red face card. Next one, fourth one. What is that? A fourth one is the jack of hearts. The jack of hearts. So what value we are getting here is jack of hearts. So in red, actually 4 jacks. So jack of hearts, right? 4 jack, 2 red, 2 black. I am explaining from the starting. 2 red, so 1 in heart, 1 in diamond. Then 1 is spades and 1 in clubs. So 1 hearts. Jack of hearts how many? Only 1. So jack of hearts only 1. So jack of, number of jack of hearts. How many? Only 1. So only one possibility is there. If it is jack of diamonds, only 1. So you have to remember only 4 4 4 4 face cards are there. That is 3 types. So probability. So jack of hearts. So number of jack of hearts. Let's going to write number of jack of hearts by total cards. That will be equal to 1 by 52. So this is the probability. Next one, a spade. So totally the spade is nothing but totally how many cards? So 52 is divided into, so 52 cards are divided into 12, 13 hearts, 13 diamonds, 13 spades and 13 clubs. So a spade means how many number? So 13 fours are, what value we are getting? 13 fours are 52. So it is fine. So here this is called spade. This is clubs, hearts and diamonds. No need to write. So a spade means how many number of spades are there? So here number of spades, let's going to write number of spades, that is 13. Number of spades will be equal to 13. So what is the probability? You can write probability is equals to number of spades by total cards. Number of spades by total cards, 13 by 52. So 13 ones are, 13 fours are, 1 by 4. So 1 by 4. So this is the value. A spade is 1 by 4. So we got it. Probability is like that. Sixth one, the queen of diamonds. The queen of diamonds. So queen of diamonds, what value we are getting here? A queen of diamonds like same as like this. So 4 queens are there. 2 red, 2 black, 2 red, 2 black. In that, one is heart, one is diamond, one is spade, and one is club. So queen of diamonds means only one. So 4 kings, 2 reds. In that 2 reds, one is diamond, one is heart. So how many diamonds? Only one is there. So number of queen of diamonds, number of queen of diamonds will be equal to only 1. So probability will be equal to number of queen of diamonds, by total cards. That is 1 by, so number of queen of diamonds, that is 1 by 52. So what is the value? So here we got it, 1 by 52 is the probability. So this is the way to find the solutions and probabilities. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to share with your friends and family members.